It's an honor to have our respectful guest with us today, who is a research supervisor in physics and astrophysics, Dr. Mamataben Soni. She also holds India Book of Records for completion of 25 certification courses around black hole and astrophysics. You have inspired a lot of people, and I'm looking forward for today's informative episode. So I'm just wanting to talk about how do you think the astronomy will improve the life on Earth?
Actually, I'll give one example. Just like in laboratory, high energy laboratory, scientists work on optic by the space telescope. They work optical light, high energy optical light emitted on one particle,
Right.
and we use this method in our tumor, cancer tumor, for that we use, and by this we for, destroying the tumor, and with the help of this optic, we destroy this tumor fastly
Yeah.
without harming surrounding tissue.
Right.
This is was just one
A small
example,
example.
but by the astronomy, we already we know that wireless communications, in medical, also we uh, heal the brain injury by that, and we already know that GPS, and we communicate with the other satellite, and with the which part we don't know, and
Yeah.
maybe in the future we get the energy from that
External
one
source.
black hole or so many things,
Yeah,
and we
nice.
collect that energy and we convert and we use that energy also. It possible in future.
Oh, nice.
Yes.
So, which gets us to the future. We are seeing a positive future, but many people would want to also know what was the past like. So, what happened to the early universe?
In the early universe, people say that 13.75 million years ago, what happened that everything's collect in so many heavy temperature in one particle, and after that it expand repeatedly.
Got it.
So that we call the Big Bang,
Yeah.
and we see our stars and galaxies. But our stars and galaxy don't see full universe. It's only see our see to us 4% universe. It's a tiny part of the universe because 96% of part is in a dark matter.
Okay. So that 96% is not visible to us, and 96% is still unknown to us.
Still unknown to us. That
Yes.
we need for the research.
Oh, that's nice. So now that you've mentioned about dark matter, so a person like me and many would not know what is a dark matter. So what exactly is a dark matter?
Actually, we call in a short term, we call it that dark matter is invisible universe,
Okay.
because in dark matter no reflect their object, because when you see some object, we want to reflect, then reflection,
Right.
then we see the object, but in dark matter that is not possible. That's why it is invisible universe.
The light is not getting reflected on the matter, on the particular object.
Reflect from the dark matter, yeah.
Yes. Okay. So that still will stay unknown until we have any particular finding, like we had it for the black hole.
Yeah. Absolutely.
Yeah.
But
So, what are the takeaways that you would want to give youngsters and people who are wanting to pursue astrophysics as a career option?
uh, people who want to choose astrophysics, they should work on it, because as I told you, 96% universe we don't know,
Right.
and if you want to know something new things and research on things which research no one do before, so that that in that topic, in that stage, people should select the astrophysics?
It's because I guess there are something that are not known, and that curiosity gives you. So I think even as a career option, this is going to be there in the long run. Because this is still not established or not known, and people yet have to try experiment.
Absolutely.
Yeah, this was the major things that I wanted to share in today's session. It's a short session and it was lovely meeting you. Thank you so much for your time again.